Well, Kunal, shorts are there in the system for the frontline indices, but you have 2 buy recommendations on individual stocks. Can you take us through that?
Yeah, I think both of them, are individual charts, and I think, giving merit to the kind of charts, showing. I think the first one is a buy on Kalpataru Power. I think if you look at the way the stock has behaved over the last 3 or 4 months, it's forming a very beautiful pattern. I think if you look at, from a short-term perspective, it's forming some sort of a pennant formation. I believe 237 is a weekly close which is required for the stock. I think if it confirms that, and I think today being the weekend, I think if it closes about 237, it becomes a very good buy, attractive buy in terms of risk reward as well. I would look for a target of at least 255 from a short-term perspective, keeping a stop loss of 225. The second stock, Mangalam, is a buy on ICICI Bank, and I think from a short-term perspective, even ICICI Bank, the way the moving averages from the hourly charts is indicating, I expect that probably a 10 to 12 rupee jump could be seen on ICICI Bank. A very short-term trade, probably 1 or 2 days only. Looking at the risk reward as well, I think it's favorable to go long on ICICI Bank, keeping a risk reward of 1:2, stop loss 286.
Okay, Kunal. Disclosures?
No personal holdings of the stocks mentioned, Rima. It is possible I may have recommended the same to a client that I will keep.
Thanks again for